Hi, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. My name is Ahmed abdihakim abdullahi. So my part is about the introduction about the kitchenware. So as a group, we want to produce about something called kitchenware to help our customers. So this assignment is about finding the customer segmentation, our customer target. So the growing trend of kitchen market, it influenced the market growth as it lead to the change in the purchase. So pattern of the customers group increase the residential outside of the market is also fueling the market growth. So for instance, as a since 2020 growing population due to the increasing has surged the number of household consumption this population, the market demand for the product. So growing commercial sectors, especially the hospitality segment, are influencing the market growth of the segment in developing regions such as Asia specific. So the hospitality makes this market very unique. So market growth for segment is developing in a big high side this time. So huge investment has been made in the sectors. Growing trend of traveling, for example, Asia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, this has led the other industry players into hospitality to upgrade their product and service and purchase more due to increasing traffic, thus fueling the demand in the forecast period. So the market present moderating over forecast period. So not, for example, is projected to contribute significant revenue shares of the kitchenware market. This owning the strong existence of kitchen appliance manufacturing companies, in addition willingness to pay more for premium kitchenware, are some other factors expecting the target market growth. The reason we chose this industry for the kitchenware product is one of the most important product for homeowners to arrange and help the users to keep everything safe. So the kitchen market is one of the industry and increasing very fast. Thank you so much. That's my part.
So we move to the next part, which is customer discovery process. The first one is define the target market. We need to know our target market, and our target market is the housewife which more exposed to use the kitchenware as a daily routine activity. And then next is customer segmentation. Customer segmentation, or also known as market segmentation, is dividing a potential customer into groups or segment based on the different characteristics. There are 4 types of customer segmentation, which are psychographic, demographic, geographic, and behavioral. And then we need to segment the market. We need to segment our market, and as we segment our market, we found out that the psychographic segmentation and demographic segmentation is more suitable with our target market. And then we need to understand the customer. We have been doing survey, and we know that it will help us to understand more about our customer needs. And then identifying the problems. Based on the questioning that we have did, we found out that a few of problems that happen to our customer. And then we need to solving the problems. We need to find a better solution for them. We need to produce a product or provide a product with a good value of money and will satisfy the customer needs.
My name is Mohamad from 21A, and my number is 161221604. Today I will present about the customer discovery. So the part of my presentation is understanding customer, 5 step customer interview, and value proposition. So what the meaning of understanding customer? Understanding customer is collecting information to understand and ensuring the customer satisfaction, which means it's a process to get the customer need, what they need in the any product that can solve their problem. So second is 5-step customer interview. Customer interview is 5-step customer interview is identify problem, find people, figure out what you ask, conduct the interview, and lastly implement. So this step is very important to interview the customer, which is to get the more information and data that can help our company to produce a new product that can solve the problem. So this is very important to ensure our product is very certified and can give the what customer need. So lastly is value proposition. Value proposition is value that delivered to the customer. So our value proposition to the customer is high durability user, friendly user, more safety, lastly, and more certified. This is very important to our customer get the value proposition and can solve the problem of customer, which is our target housewife, especially in the kitchenware. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Sir Rosli. My name is Mohamad Amirul Ashraff bin Ghazali, metric number 17122187892. Today I want to present about causing the chasm. The definition of causing is the chasm is the division of early market and mainstream market consists of all technology adopters. Early market consists of innovators, early adopters, early majority, late majority, and laggards. Why chasm exists? The chasm exists because after a certain point of selling product to early adopters, the sales reach a plateau, while the next stage of growth is to take the product to the masses. The fundamental issues entrepreneur face and product manager face when trying to cause the chasm is the fact that while early adopters are fine when incomplete features and early stages technologies in general, the early majority is pragmatic and will only accept the product once it solves a current problem they face. Four fundamental characteristics of visionaries that alienated the next market buyer. Firstly is lack of respect for the value of industry or college's experience. Second, taking greater interest in technology than in their industry. Third is failing to recognize the importance of existing product infrastructure. Fourth is overall disruptiveness. So our group is do the problem statement is the hazard of kitchenware. So firstly, the innovator must identify what the problem of the kitchenware before market the product to the customer. So before the product get to the customer, the innovator must solve the problem to get the satisfy for the customer. So thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Ismail Ibrahim. In this sector, I would like to talk about the market environment. The market environment, which is the market size and the competitor analysis. The market size of kitchenware has been increasing in the last couple of years because of people moving from towns to the big cities, where people most likely use kitchenwares. In the market size, the kitchenware global sales estimated 56.8 billion in 2018, and it's expected an increase of 4.5% of a CAGR. This increase means that the market size of kitchenware is going to be big, and then a market that is have a big shares in the competitor. And now I will talk about the competitor analysis. When it comes to competitor analysis, there are many competitors in this market, and then first, when we like to go through the market, our competitors, we discover it, we made customer discovery process, which we differ from our competitors in the market. we go through our customers and then take questionnaire from the customers to know the problem statement, and then come to try and then bring a solution to the problem of the customers. After we get feedback from the customers, that's the time we try to solve the problem. That's what makes us unique and then dominate the market, unlike our competitors. That's all from me. Thank you.